Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will be sharing 16 valuable tips for preventing septic system failure. Your septic system plays a crucial role in managing wastewater from your home, so it's essential to take proper care of it. By following these tips, you can ensure the longevity and efficiency of your septic system. One of the most important tips for preventing septic system failure is to have your septic tank regularly pumped. The frequency of pumping depends on factors such as the tank size and the number of occupants in your house. Regular pumping removes accumulated solids and prevents them from causing blockages or overflowing into the drainfield. Conserving water is not only good for the environment but also prevents excessive strain on your septic system. Limiting water usage by fixing leaks, using efficient appliances, and being mindful of water consumption can prevent your septic system from becoming overwhelmed and potentially failing. Be mindful of what you flush down the drain or toilet. Avoid disposing of non-biodegradable items, grease, oils, chemicals, and excessive solids into your septic system. These can clog the system, leading to backups and potential failure. Proper waste disposal is key to maintaining a healthy septic system. Using harsh chemicals such as bleach, antibacterial soaps, and strong detergents can disrupt the natural balance of bacteria in your septic tank. These bacteria are responsible for breaking down solids. Opt for septic-safe, environmentally friendly cleaning products to keep your septic system in optimal condition. The drainfield is an essential part of your septic system. Avoid parking vehicles, placing heavy objects, or constructing buildings on top of the drainfield to prevent compaction and damage to the pipes. Furthermore, divert surface water away from the drainfield to ensure its optimal functionality. Planting trees or large shrubs near your septic system can cause problems in the long run. The roots can infiltrate the pipes and disrupt the system's operation. Keep vegetation at least 10 feet away from your septic system to avoid any potential damage. Avoid excessive use of garbage disposals and septic system additives. While garbage disposals are convenient, they add extra solids and increase the load on your septic system. Similarly, septic system additives are typically unnecessary and can disrupt the natural balance within the tank. Ensure that the septic tank and other components are properly covered and inaccessible to animals. Animals can cause damage to the system by digging, causing leaks, or disturbing the pipes. Taking preventive measures to secure the system can save you from costly repairs. Regularly monitor your septic system for any signs of problems or failures. Detecting issues early on can save you from more significant damage and expenses. Schedule periodic inspections with a professional to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Educate yourself and your household members about proper septic system usage. Teach everyone about what can and cannot be flushed, the importance of regular maintenance, and how to identify warning signs of septic system failure. Knowledge is key to preventing avoidable problems. Limiting excessive water flow into your septic system helps prevent it from becoming overwhelmed. Be cautious during heavy rainfall or water-intensive activities such as laundry or showering. Spreading out water usage throughout the day can avoid putting excessive strain on the system. If you are planning any landscaping projects near your septic system, exercise caution. Consult with a professional to ensure that any modifications or additions will not interfere with the functionality of your septic system. Careful planning can prevent unintended damage. Stay updated with the latest information, guidelines, and regulations regarding septic systems in your area. Local regulations may vary, so familiarize yourself with any specific requirements or recommendations applicable to your region. In the event of a septic system failure or emergency, it is crucial to know what steps to take. Have a plan in place and contact a professional service immediately. Timely action can minimize damage and the impact on your property and the environment. That concludes our video on 16 tips for preventing septic system failure. By implementing these tips, you can ensure that your septic system remains in good working condition for years to come. Remember to take proper care of your septic system, and it will take care of you. Thank you for watching.